Hey, hello. So this evening I came across this old footage of my DIY windmill, recorded back in 2016, I believe. And seeing it back, I think it's just so funny and cool. And I wanted to share this. It was a kind of a weekend project, and I wanted to see if I could make a windmill with the stuff I had laying around in order to recharge my phone. The rotor is of a Siphonius type and made from leftover PVC tubing. The diameter was around 300 mils, I think. I cut it lengthwise, placing the two halves between two mounting plates made out of Trespa cut to shape. The PVC mounting tube, brackets and threaded rods, and also the fasteners are off-the-shelf items. I did cheat it somewhat by using a 3D printer to print some more precise and custom parts, although I did design the parts if that makes up for it. As a generator, I'm using a stepper motor salvaged from a printer. The relative high output and low RPM is making this type of motor great as a backwards generator, but it's very noisy. You can really hear the individual steps. The red LED is used as a visual for the output. Also made a quick diode rectifier. As you can see, the LED is flashing bright, so much so it got destroyed. Also did the mill. Uh, the rotor was just too heavy and out of balance, causing it to vibrate, and eventually over a couple of days it just snapped clean off the wall. I didn't quite get to recharging my phone, but I do think it was possible if everything was just right. Anyway, nice to see you back. Good times.